Hello, everyone. Mr. Sutherland with my pal Ellie over here, wanting to welcome you here to eLearning for AP Calc. I wanted to just make this video message to talk about some of the expectations, what I've heard about the AP exam so far, and kind of what class is going to look like going forward from our governor today through at least till the beginning of May. And hopefully soon after that we'll be able to meet in person again. But the first I want to talk about is we're going to make the best out of this, and I just want you to try your best. We're obviously those of you that weren't here the Friday before break, that test that we were going to take the week before spring break doesn't exist anymore. We are moving into AP exam review mode, but it's not going to be the same not being face to face and having that discussion on a every other day basis. So try your best. I did not sign up to be an e-learning teacher. You guys did not sign up to do e-learning as a student. So we're going to do the best that we can make it work. If you have questions, technical issues, anything that comes up, please never hesitate to send me an email and we can talk about that. What you've noticed with the AP packet I had some of you turn in who were absent that Friday is that's one of the ways we're going to turn in work is through Google Classroom. What I do ask is that you get a scanning app for your phone. It doesn't work as great if you upload images, but if you can get, Adobe has one, there are some other apps that will turn an image into a PDF that will upload nicer to the website so I can look at your work and give you feedback on stuff that we need that for. I do not have daily office hours scheduled at this point. What I think I will probably do is set something up that is completely optional every other day, is what I'm imagining that we meet. And that'll be a time to check in, answer questions. You will get to see the chaos that's going on in my house with the two kids trying to e-learn, my wife and I trying to teach through e-learning. So during my videos, you may hear kids yelling, fighting, screaming, Dane playing Xbox, which consists of yo, bro, dude, bro, what you doing, bro? Ellie behind me barking. It can be a 4-ring circus. Well, I thought it's 3 rings, but ours is 4 or more most days. So I'll do my best to meet with you guys, answer questions. If we need to meet one-on-one, we can do that. Now, the AP exam. I'm sure you've received communication maybe from other AP classes. It's changed quite a bit. Gone from a 3.5-hour exam to a 45-minute exam. We're still not sure exactly what that looks like. If you're at school, it'll be taken at school. If you're not, it's going to be taken at home. So it's a different experience, but we're going to do our best still to prepare for that. Once I find out more information, we're supposed to have definite information by Friday. I will let you know about that, maybe through another video or during those office hour times if I know by then. But I just want to check on you guys. I hope you're well. I hope your families are well. We're doing okay over here. Ready to get outside, ready for the weather to warm up. And I will be in touch with you. If you ever have any problems, questions, please don't hesitate to let me know, and I can do whatever I can to help you be as successful as possible. And I will talk to you guys soon. Be well, everyone.